Welcome to AWFS 2019, North America's largest gathering of woodworking equipment and technology, coming to you from Las Vegas, Nevada. We're excited to have 10 unique displays to highlight the versatility and accessibility of our vast array of products designed to seamlessly organize any room in the home. First up is our gray makeup vanity featuring Mauser custom cabinetry. It is accented with a beautiful translucent countertop by Wilson Arts that is backlit with Tresco Lighting's award-winning snap panels. Kicking off our new products is our 445 VB Series Grooming Organizer, available with an integrated electrical outlet with two 120-volt plugs. Designed for 12-inch full-height face-frame vanity base cabinets, this grooming pullout features two shelves with non-skid vinyl lining, two removable stainless steel bins, patented door mount brackets, natural maple construction, and full extension tandem 100-pound rated slides with Blue Motion soft close. Next, we have our new 4COS drawer organizer. Designed for 22-inch interior or smaller vanity cabinet drawers, this trim-to-fit organizer features natural maple construction, up to 13 storage compartments, and comes with two clear acrylic lids. Our second vanity featuring WW wood cabinetry is topped with a Lab Designs countertop and also features a beautiful Kohler sink and faucet. Now store all your grooming appliances together in one location with our new 4VOD series vanity outlet drawer featuring natural maple construction, two stainless steel storage bins, Blue Motion soft close slides, and an in-drawer receptacle with two 120-volt plugs. Free up floor space and securely store your personal scale with our new 4SH scale holder, featuring a natural maple frame with semi-gloss finish and torsion spring with a non-skid coating to securely hold items. Conveniently store hair styling tools without compromising design with our new 4HD series door mount appliance holder, featuring a natural maple frame, two stainless steel storage bins, and a lower level shelf with non-skid lining. Next is a vibrant vanity from Mauser Custom Cabinets, which features beautiful hardware and a silestone countertop. This vanity also features a Kohler sink and faucet. Under the sink is our new 5cc series 2-in-1 mini cleaning caddy that comes with two 1-liter spray bottles, a removable polyethylene caddy available in 3 color choices, and glides on full extension undermount soft close slides. This vanity is also equipped with the fan favorite 486 series U-shaped vanity organizer, designed for complete accessibility to your under-sink vanity while conveniently fitting around plumbing. Last but not least of our vanity displays is our custom-made kids Lego-themed cabinetry, topped with a silestone and features a Kohler sink and faucet. Integrated into this display are favorites like the 4V DOT series, which features a full top tray that glides back on ball-bearing slides to give complete access to the drawer below, and the CT OHB series wire tilt-out hamper. Moving on to our laundry display, we have Mauser custom cabinets, and atop our designed pet washing station is a silestone countertop. Tucked away next to the washer and dryer is our revolutionary glideware organizing pullout that allows you to securely hang garments inside of our closet and bring them out only when you want them. Down below are our 4WV series woven nylon baskets, available with natural maple or walnut side mount rails and an included machine washable canvas liner. Our first kitchen features cabinets by WW Wood Products with heritage-style doors in weathered gunstock and topped with a silestone counter in Lusso. Atop of our 5300 series pull-out pantry is our new adjustable top shelf extender bracket, which features an effortless slide-on design that allows you to rearrange your shelves to the previously inaccessible area and maximize your storage space. Next is our 4W-CSC series maple bottom mount pullout with added compo canister, now available in 4 colors. Finally, we have our 448 series wall pull-out shelving system, shown in a new size designed for 36-inch height wall cabinets and glides on full extension ball-bearing 100-pound rated slides with soft close. Our Peninsula kitchen features cabinets by Eurocraft Cabinetry, topped with a beautiful walnut countertop, and features floating shelves integrated with Tresco Lighting's Infinex LED extrusion system. Within this display, we've added our new 5365 door mount spice rack, 5PD solid bottom pull-down shelving system, and several other popular products, all now boasting a stylish Orion Gray flat wire construction to complement the sleek look of this kitchen. New to the lineup is our GRABILL Cabinets kitchen, featuring a Cambria countertop and a Kohler sink and faucet. Illuminating the Decotone backsplash is Tresco Lighting's Etch backlight panel. New to the Rev-A-Shelf family of products is the 4KCB combination knife holder and cutting board, now available for full access cabinets. We've also expanded upon our base organizer line to include the 449 and 449 UT units that offer Blue Motion bottom and side mount soft close slides to maximize stability, available for face frame and full access cabinets. Additionally, we have our 53TM series metal frame top mount waste container, which features several configurations to fit your exact needs. Let's head over to our transparent kitchen, which offers a glimpse into how our products work inside the cabinet. This classic display features favorites like Blind Corner Magician, the Cloud, soft close tip-out tray hinges, knife and utensil organizer, and our 4WCDB charging drawer. Here we have a brand new experience to showcase the various options and unique qualities of each 448 and 449 model. This has been a tour of the Rev-A-Shelf exhibit at AWFS 2019 from Las Vegas, Nevada. Thank you for taking this virtual tour. Be sure to visit us online at REVASHELF.com or call us at 800-626-1126 for more information on these or any of our extensive product lines.